KivG weather overview, taking a look at the front that's moving through. And ahead of the front, it's been very windy and very mild today with lots of clouds. Temperatures did get up into the mid 50s as expected. And now we're waiting for this front to move through with some gusty showers. But you can see the bulk of the rain is mainly over the Hudson Valley and well to our north and west. And this will be the main theme over the next several hours, where we'll just have showers move through. The winds will continue to be gusty. But then behind this front, we'll have clearing skies and the temperatures will come down. It'll be about 15 to 20 degrees colder tomorrow than what it was today. And then the story that's getting a lot of attention, probably from the local weather forecasters, is the expected snowfall for Wednesday. And I think a large majority of this will fall during the day, between about 10 a.m. and about 4 p.m. on Wednesday. And this is a fast moving system that really isn't going to do a whole heck of a lot. This is the forecast out of NOAA. And maybe you'll get an inch of snow, maybe you won't. This is the type of storm that comes and goes, and it's not going to snow particularly hard. So because of all those aforementioned factors, we're not really going to see much in the way of accumulation here. And that'll take place on Wednesday. But for those who crave a few snowflakes and getting ready for the holiday season and get you in the little holiday spirit, it'll be nice to see some flakes flying on Wednesday. Now, as we take a look at the day-to-day, off of the various weather models, you could see that off the GFS model, we have the front move through today. And what will happen is that it'll move through as expected with a few showers over the next couple of hours. And then we'll see pretty fast clearing. And temperatures will be much colder tomorrow, with highs only about 40 to 45. And then a weak storm system will develop along that same frontal boundary that comes through. And it'll pass mainly to our south and east. This is by Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, actually, off the new run of the GFS. And it's really unenthused with precipitation around here over the much of the tri-state area. So bet on just basically a light snowfall for Wednesday. But I wouldn't be surprised if future runs of the model continue to take this a little bit further south. But nonetheless, regardless of whether it snows or not, just expect light accumulations. And then remaining cool behind the front, but then another weather system moves through on Friday morning into Friday afternoon. That could give us a few rain and snow showers. But the main story in the long range, I think, is going to be a continued rather mild pattern for this time of year, or at least at or above normal temperatures. So one day they'll be around normal, but then the next day they'll be up, and this was talked about in the last video. And by Saturday morning, another front moves through, and this could lead to an unsettled weekend, particularly Sunday, as a wave of showers and a slow-moving front move through on Sunday. And this could give us a soaking rain for Sunday. There could be scattered showers on Saturday, but I think the main action is Sunday into Monday. And the weather model on this particular run wants to slow the front down so that perhaps we get some snow on the backside. I wouldn't be too concerned with that at this point. And then going into next week, much of next week looks quiet, and that's at least the trend for now as we go into the long range with that. That's something that will probably change over time, but mainly the story over the next 5 to 7 days is this continued back and forth temperature pattern that we've had, and it'll be accentuated by the fact that we will have some snow in the air on Tuesday. We've got highs tomorrow, a good 15 to 20 degrees colder than they were today, highs only around 40. Same thing with Wednesday, with some snow flying around during the day with little to no accumulation. And then you've got Thursday with highs generally around 40, and then the warm-up starts with highs around 50 on Friday. And we could see some early morning showers, but you can see how the temperatures come up for Friday with highs around 50. And then Saturday, a lot of cloud cover. We could have a lot of cloud cover, it looks like, for the end of the week, Friday, Saturday, and especially Sunday, where I think besides scattered showers on Saturday, we should get into a steadier, heavier rain on Sunday, with temperatures making a run at the mid and upper 50s. Typically, before these fronts move through, there's a temperature surge. And that's what we've seen today, and that's what we'll see at the end of the week. So overall, the roller coaster pattern continues, and a little bit of snow in between all these temperature fluctuations.